How to build a successful YouTube channel that captivates your audience through the power of storytelling. Today we'll explore the step-by-step process of creating a unique and unforgettable channel using AI tools. Are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Let's dive right in. Step 1. Discover your channel name. Every great and successful YouTube channel starts with a clear focus and an engaging name. Forget about generic titles. We want something short, unique, and easy to remember. To help us find the perfect name, we'll turn to our trusted AI assistant, ChatGPT. Head over to ChatGPT and type, "Give me 10 YouTube channel names for a storytelling channel." ChatGPT has provided us with a fantastic list of potential channel names. Remember, if you don't find one you like, simply ask ChatGPT for more suggestions. However, in this case, I absolutely love this epic whisper name, so I'm going to use it for my channel. Step 2. Create a captivating channel identity. Visual appeal is essential for your channel's branding. Let's start by creating a profile picture and channel art that reflect the spirit of your content. We'll make use of Leonardo.ai, an incredible free AI image generator. For the profile picture, we want something that captures the essence of our channel. This image looks perfect. I'll save it and move on to creating the channel banner. To design an eye-catching banner, we'll use a user-friendly tool called Canva. Head to canva.com and either log in or sign up for free. Once you're in, search for YouTube banner templates. You'll find a tremendous amount of ready-made designs that you can customize to suit your channel's style. I'm using Canva Pro, but the free version works great too, with some limitations. Quick tip: Canva Pro can be a bit expensive, so I recommend joining a group tool subscription where you get access to over 30+ paid tools, including ChatGPT Plus and Canva Pro, all for just $7 per month. If you're interested, subscribe to our channel and leave a comment saying, "Interested and subscribed." Now that we have our channel name, profile picture, and channel banner, let's add them to our channel. Don't forget to optimize your channel for search engine discovery through SEO techniques. You can find many helpful videos on YouTube for guidance. Step 3. Generate compelling story ideas with AI. Your channel needs captivating content to engage your audience. Return to ChatGPT and ask for story ideas to inspire your YouTube videos. ChatGPT can generate a short, adventurous, and thrilling story that will captivate your viewers from start to finish. Amazing! ChatGPT has given us an entire story to work with. We have our foundation for a compelling video. Remember, if you need more ideas, simply ask ChatGPT for additional stories. Step 4. Voiceover and video creation. With our story in hand, let's move on to the voiceover. We'll use Listener AI, a fantastic free AI text-to-speech software. Sign up for free on their website and head to the dashboard. Click on New Voiceover and select the editor. Now, paste your script here. You can customize the voice, style, speed, pauses, and more. Feel free to explore all the tools to achieve the best results. Once you're satisfied, click on Preview to check for any required changes. Then, simply click on Convert and download your voiceover in MP3 format. Now that we have our voiceover, it's time to bring our video to life. We'll return to Leonardo.ai to find images that complement our story. Remember, you can check out my video on how to use Leonardo.ai by clicking on the I button, or simply copy and paste each paragraph from the script to generate images. Download them to your device. Perfect. We now have everything we need. But before we move forward, let's add a touch of personality and humor to our video through editing. We'll use CapCut, a free video editing software, to bring our visuals, voiceover, and effects together. Remember, the more time you dedicate to editing, the more engaging your video will become. After you're done editing, export the video in 4K resolution. Here's a sneak peek of the video I created, and if you want to watch the full version, you'll find the link in the description below.
I opened my eyes to find myself surrounded by dense forest, the scent of pine needles filling the air. The sunlight filtered through the towering trees, casting dancing shadows on the forest floor. A sense of adventure surged through my veins as I realized I had stumbled upon an unexplored wilderness. Excitement mingled with a hint of trepidation as I decided to venture deeper into the forest. The ground beneath my boots crunched with every step, and the distant chirping of birds provided a symphony of nature. I couldn't help but be captivated by the beauty of this untamed realm. As I delved further, a peculiar sound reached my ears, a soft whisper that seemed to beckon me onward. Curiosity gripped me, and I followed the mysterious sound. The whispers grew louder, mingling with the rustling of leaves, creating an eerie melody. A clearing appeared before me, bathed in golden sunlight. In the center stood an ancient stone pedestal, covered in intricate carvings that seemed to tell a forgotten tale. A small, ornate box rested upon it, emanating an aura of mystique.
Step 5. Optimize your video for discoverability. Now that your video is ready, let's optimize it for maximum visibility. Return to ChatGPT and ask for relevant titles, descriptions, and tags that will help your video rank higher in search results. These elements are crucial for attracting organic traffic to your channel. While we're on the topic of visibility, let's talk about thumbnails. Although AI is not yet capable of creating captivating thumbnails, they play a significant role in attracting viewers. Take the time to design an eye-catching thumbnail. You can use Canva's ready-made thumbnail templates and customize them with engaging text and design. Step 6. Upload and promote your video. It's finally time to upload your video to YouTube. Click the upload button in the top right corner of your YouTube homepage. Copy and paste all the relevant information, including the title, description, and tags, into the respective sections. While you can use the video's background image as the thumbnail, creating a customized thumbnail with engaging text and design is highly recommended. But the journey doesn't end with uploading. To drive more traffic to your channel, share your video on all your social media platforms and with your email list. The initial performance of your videos is crucial for YouTube's algorithm to recognize their potential. The more views, likes, and engagement you get, the more likely YouTube will promote your content to a wider audience. Creating an automated YouTube channel using AI tools can be a game changer, allowing you to earn passive income with minimal effort. However, it's vital to remember that high-quality content is still essential. Take the time to analyze the performance of your videos, listen to your audience, and adjust your strategy accordingly. The rise of AI software has opened up incredible opportunities for anyone to create a profitable channel. By focusing on storytelling content and utilizing the AI tools we discussed in this video, you can achieve remarkable success. So why not give it a try? See what kind of impact you can make in the YouTube world. That's all for today's tutorial on creating an engaging storytelling YouTube channel using AI. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep creating, keep inspiring, and keep leveraging the power of AI.